Hey YouTube, so like I went to the gym and I'm back right now. I'm at 7. I'm gonna get some island grill. I bought my food. I should have cooked, but I didn't cook yesterday. I'm gonna cook today, but I'm gonna get some island grill right now at 7. God, see it's dark out here. I'm gonna try to get digital too, because flow isn't where it's at for you, you know? So I'm out here. A vlogger. Yeah, so I just take care of my business with digital, because flow is a bitch. Right now I'm gonna get some. But I understand why flow, because the lady that I was talking to, because digital is more expensive, 6,000 odd, while flow is about 4,000 odd. She said flow only give you 50 megabytes, while digital give you 100. So that's the reason why digital is better. So get digital, okay? But you're gonna pay more money. You gotta look forward to paying more money. This is what it is. Right now I'm gonna get some island grill and just go home and chill. Rest my legs, because today was leg day. Yeah guys, so I got my island grill. I'm gonna go over pineapple. One of the best drinks at Island Grill, to be honest. I get my jerk chicken, cool festival. You know what I mean? Building a vibe. You know, there's a lot of pretty girls at Sovereign. I need to come to Sovereign more often and shoot my shot. That's what the plan is. You know, and as I was saying with you, sir, I think it's better even for me as a streamer now, where if I get 100 megabytes, it would be better than the 50. I think that would be better for my streaming. Maybe my streaming would be better, and my uploading my videos would upload really faster with the 100 instead of the 50 MB. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. And as soon as I sign up, I got the call like 5 minutes afterwards. She said the car was gonna come within an hour. It came within 5 minutes. They said they're gonna come to my place and they're gonna set it up and take my information and all of that. And it's gonna be $2,000 to set it up, and then 6,900 a month. It's cheaper. If it was, you can get a bigger package with flow, you know, but it's more expensive. You dig? So I think me and Diddy said we're gonna have a good relationship. I'm looking forward to dealing with them. And yeah, I'm going home. I'm gonna eat my food on the way. And today seems like a good day. I've been having good days. None of my days has been bad, because like you gotta be smart. You gotta be smart. You gotta separate yourself from people that's gonna make your day bad, and then you won't have a bad day. Promise. Hi there. What's up? Right now I'm gonna go get some mangoes, some East Indian, because I'm a mango addict, and I gotta keep my addiction up. You heard me? From the other day, I haven't been keeping my addiction up, and that's crazy to me, you know? Yeah, so I'm going out to get some mangoes right now. Yeah, so I'm here at my mango spot. Mangoes are right over there. And sometimes when I buy the mangoes, bro, $1,000 for 4, and then I eat them. Sometimes I wonder, why did I just waste $1,000 on mangoes? You know, I think I'm an addict. I think I need to go to an AA meeting for mango addicts. I don't know, but I'm gonna buy some mangoes right now. Hopefully them have East Indian. If not, then I'm not gonna buy no mangoes. Fuck it. You heard me? Yeah. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to, well, it's a different day today. It's not another video, it's just a different day. Right now I'm heading to the gym. I can't find my wallet. Have you seen my wallet? Have you? You haven't? That's crazy. But I'm gonna go to the gym right now, do some bench press and all of that stuff, and just have a great day today. You heard me? Yeah, I'm hoping you're having a great day today, Tuesday, September 6th. Yeah, that's what it is. And yeah, I'm out. I'm out of here. So have a great day. Yeah, so my birthday is coming up November 8th, and I want to buy something nice for my birthday. Yeah, because I love myself. So I don't know what to buy it though. I'm looking into things. I got up late this morning. Right now I'm running late for the gym, but I'm gonna get there and get it done. And when I come home, I'm gonna start looking at nice things to buy for my birthday. Because today is September 6th. What? That's 2 months away. 2 months and 2 days away from my birthday. So I got to buy my thing now, so I can surprise myself for my birthday. I'll be like, surprise, happy birthday, and I'll be like, oh my god, I never expected it. Surprise myself for my birthday. You heard me? Yeah. Because if I don't do it, who's gonna? I'm single. So it is what it is. Thanks for watching. You have something you want to say to the vlog though? We're not a vlogger, are we?
Yeah?
There's something you want to say to the vlog?
Well, this is the Mish in the making. I remember today is September the 7th of 2022.
Yeah.
And in the next 5 years, I'll be live on TV, bro.
Okay,
That's
bro.
me.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Or I don't know if I'll clip this in with other clips that I have from the week. Yeah, I did my hair Friday. I like these plaits, but I keep it ketchup because I don't like the hair in my face and all of that. Now I mean, the other day I met a girl over at the apartment complex here. She came all the way from. She traveled. It's a white girl traveled all the way from Australia by herself, and I'm here thinking I'm gonna be lonely if I go to like Bahamas by myself or Cuba. I need people to go with, you know. So me meeting the girl that came all the way from Australia, she spent over $6,000, I think, 4,000 for plane travel, and then to stay here for 1 month, 2,000 or something like that, you know. And it was eye-opening. She being a girl and all, telling me that yo, she traveled all the way by herself, not scared or anything, you know. So I'm inspired to travel even by myself, because I was thinking for my birthday coming up, I wanted to travel somewhere, and I was planning on taking a girl, but right now, I'm single and pay for girls a lot of money and all of that. So maybe I'll travel by myself, and just experience things by myself like that and not be scared no more. You heard me? Yeah. Also, a while ago, I took a shower and I'm proud of my physical form. I'm proud of what my achievements from the gym, proud of what I'm seeing in the mirror. You know what I mean? My arms are getting bigger, my shoulder, here at these places getting bigger. I like what I'm seeing. My belly, my side is just muscles. My abs, they're not really defined like what you see on TV, but sometimes what you see on TV is not real. Or what you see in pictures, it's not really real. It's like maybe they edit it, they Photoshop it, or it's camera angles and lighting and all of that. So maybe that's not real, but I like how my body's looking for real. You know what I mean? I really love the gym. The gym is really important to me. You know what I mean? Even last night, even the weekend, Saturday night, today's Sunday, Saturday night and Friday night, I was thinking of going out, going to Ribby's, vibing and all of that. But I started thinking about life, really, and I was wondering, what does that do for me? It does nothing for me, really, going out. I'm trying to chase my goals. I need to realign my mind to my goals. What do I want in life? One of the things I want is to travel. So I need to focus on that. I need to make notes of where I want to go. Even in Jamaica, I can travel. I can go to a few places that I've never been to here in Jamaica. So I'm going to look into those type of things and start working towards them. Stop wanting to, because like I never really had a memory moment going out. Right now I can look through my phone and see birthday pictures and when I really enjoyed it. When I turned 25, that was when I was in the black and white at AC Hotel and all of that. It wasn't really all that memorable, you know what I mean? Like when I turned 26, my other birthday, when I went to Moon Palace by myself, it was a great experience. And I'm always gonna remember that experience for the rest of my life. to be honest. So I want to do more things like that, and that's what's coming up. I bought a new tripod and stuff, and I want to start vlogging more, because this is a goal of mine, vlogging and stuff like that, you know. Going to a party not doing nothing for me. So that, look out for new videos coming soon, entertaining, and me just going out and just living life. Right now I'm gonna go buy some cheese patties. Yeah, there's even another thing I was thinking. I could have a girl over to come cook for me and all of that and all of this and all of that. But girls are kind of expensive, you know. We have to take care of them and all of them things the same way, you know. So for you to cook, if it's not nothing serious, bro, it's not. It doesn't have to be like that. You can just build by yourself until you find somebody that you want to take serious. You know what I mean? Yeah. So some cheese patties on a Sunday it is. I'm gonna cook later though. Some cheese patty for lunch right now. I bought 4 of them, you know. I'm a muscle man. I gotta get a lot of protein. That's a lot of beef right there. I need to get some protein in my body. You heard me? So make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. I'll be streaming more soon and all of that. Just chasing my dreams and my goals. You know what I mean? Getting closer to them. Not separating myself from things that don't benefit me, don't add to me, you know? So, yeah, that is it. I'm off. Yeah, I'm looking at the sky right now and it looks like it's about to rain. And I don't know if it's because I'm from the tropics and here in Jamaica. I really like the rain a lot, you know? Yeah, I really like the rain. Let me know in the comments if you like the rain. I would prefer the rainy weather over any other weather. If the ground never get wet, like a lot of puddles and like when you drive in your car can slide and all of that. Yeah, I really like the rain. I like how it's cool. I like when the rain is falling. It look like, it's just beautiful, man. I love the rain. I'm gonna buy my patties right now. Bro, if you don't drive a car, bro, you can't drive her crazy. You know, so you gotta focus on yourself and get your money up and not your funny up. That way you can afford a car, so then you can drive her crazy when you have a car, okay? Know what I mean? The metaphors. Trouble. You know, I really like this shirt a lot, the old shirt. I'm gonna buy way more of them. It's about $35, but some of them $35, about $30 on average, because some sell for 35, some sell for 25, and that so forth. This one I forgot how much I bought it for, but it's a really good quality shirt, better than a lot of other shirts that I have, better than the AX shirts and the American Eagle shirts and all of those other shirts that I have. This shirt is a better quality in terms of it fits comfortable. I really like the shirt in terms of the fit, and I like the graphics on it, the O. I see some with elephants on it. I'm gonna buy an elephant one. See one with a tiger, I'm gonna buy one with a tiger and other animals on them. And some have other things on them, like weird things like cats and all of that, but I'm not really into cats. I'm more of a dog guy, so maybe I buy some with wolves. I'm gonna buy some more of these shirts. I really like them a lot. I'm like, why am I going 80 right now? I need to slow down. It's gonna rain though. Sky's looking beautiful. It's gonna flash lightnings and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna get some patties. I'm on the road today. It's Sunday, the day before Monday, which is crazy, but it is what it is. I forgot my umbrella, dog, and it's raining right now. I never forgot my umbrella, you know. One time I forget my umbrella. I'm stuck. But I'm going right there on the swap ground, so should be fine. It's raining out there, dog. So I'm a 4 cheese patty and a cranberry one. And a cheese patty? I need to eat cheese patty. I'm gonna go across the road to Tasties, because cheese patty is where it's at. Don't know what them are talking about. Them finna have cheese patty. Them not close them if them not have cheese patty. That them need for the man. They need for open. So if you don't have cheese patty. You see me? Right now I'm stuck from right here to right there, bro. I don't want to wet up my hair, you know. It's crazy. It's a whole lot of rain right now. I really like the rain. I'm enjoying the rain though. Yeah, so the security, yeah, the umbrella. And he left me off over that side. So I have to step over real quick. But I was just thinking life kinda nice, you know, bro. I don't got no problems. Don't got no problems. My life is at peace and I have to give thanks. You know? I have to give thanks. Can buy whatever you like, whatever you want to eat today on a Sunday, I can buy it. Whatever I want to eat. A lot of people don't have no food right now in the room. Just crazy. I hope God help them. You know? I'm gonna get my cheese patty over Tasties. This isn't that bad, you know, but I find that juicy patties is way better. You know? So yeah. Yo, cheese patties for $300, which is crazy to me. You know? Like the other day, me and the Australian girl, we also talk about how things expensive in Jamaica. Because she said things way cheaper in Australia. Things more expensive in Jamaica and then pay people way less. You know what I mean? Which is crazy to me. I don't understand it. But it is what it is, I guess. Hi guys, so right now I'm heading out to the supermarket. And I'm super late. Mega Mart closes 10 p.m. at the time is 9:32. So I gotta get in there quickly, pick up the things that I'm gonna cook tonight. I've been wasting a lot of time since I was eating the patty. I came home and I was eating the patty. The patty weren't that good, you know. I'd recommend not eating Tasty's patty. Juicy patties are the better patty. You know what I mean? Yeah. So and when I came in, I was just playing video games, Warframe. That game don't respect my time, you know. But really and truly, you know, I can't say the game don't respect my time. It's like I don't respect my time. You know what I mean? Sitting and playing that stupid game. It just and a lot of farming in it and all that. Just waste your time, bro. I'm gonna delete those games as soon as I get back home because it's just a waste of time. Maybe I should have been streaming. If I was streaming, probably I could say, alright then. I'm not wasting my time. I'm working. I'm streaming, you know. But it was a waste of time just a while ago. Big waste of time. But I don't know. Right now I'm gonna go to the supermarket, probably get some cookies, some bananas. Yeah, some eggs, a lot of chicken, and all of that stuff, okay? Potatoes, sweet potatoes, some broccolis, naturally. Probably a plantain, two plantain. Yeah. So yeah, so I made it at Mega Mart, but I'm a bit late, and I got like about 20 minutes in here, so I gotta just get in and get out quickly, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rush, but I'm gonna take you with me, you know, inside, show you what I get. This is the good aisle right here. Some coconut oil. Doesn't matter which one I take. I used to make this aisle. You can literally melt it and drink it. Some LTR. So these are, I got a lot of stuff, but the store's gonna close. So some bananas, one and two. So I got two juice, pineapple orange juice, the aisle, fish, chicken. I got some cookies. Don't tear my couch. I just ate one. You know what I mean? Some Irish sweet potato, sweet plantain, some bananas, sweet peppers, thyme, avocado, and some broccoli. These broccolis are not the best. They didn't have any of that good stuff, you know, and I'm quite upset. It is what it is.
The store will be closing in 5 minutes.
Store will be closing in
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Crazy. Hi, I'm gonna get some lunch right now. I'm gonna get a wrap, a jerk chicken wrap. It's right nearby me and a cranberry water. That's for my lunch today. Yeah, so let's go. Yeah, so I'm here. This is where I get my wraps. Downstairs school bar. CPJ. The wraps are right there. But why not? But why not? Yeah, I'm at the why not? Never know say one cranberry water was for sell it for $230 for one cranberry water. All along me I buy here, so I never know that. That's crazy. Never again will I buy a next one. Isn't it? Things seem to me kind of overpriced. So I don't really come here a lot. It is what it is. I'm gonna head home right now. I'm not gonna sit and eat and dine. Gonna head home. Kind of weird that I thought people walk past and I look. But it is what it is. I'm a vlogger. I'm a rasta. She's in love with the rasta. You dig? Yeah, so I'm gonna just eat my wrap right now and just chill, you know? Maybe watch a show on Netflix on the TV. You know, it is what it is. Chill day, taking it easy. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Maybe I'll put in some other footage from other days. So this is the last thing you'll see. So I hope you're having a great day today. Hope you're having a great week. I hope you're living life powerfully and going out more and doing things and just live. You understand? Yeah. So later. See you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.